So what is UPSC GS mains pattern? How many papers? What are the marking? So here, there are basically these papers. First, you have to have the language papers. There are two language papers. One is the English paper and the other is any that you can opt for. So one is English compulsory, that is for 250 marks. Then there's a language paper. You can opt for Hindi, you can opt for Marathi and any other regional language. There's a list that is given. So these are the qualifying papers, 250 marks each, but qualifying, the marks is not added. You have to qualify by getting about 33% of the 250 total. The papers whose marks are included are, you have essay, you have GS 1, 2 and 3, GS paper 4, as well as you have your optional subjects. So each of them, essay 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 of the optionals. This is like about 7 subjects, 7 into 250. Each of them are of 250. So this is about 500, this is about 1000, so 1500, and this is another 250. That's about 1750 marks, which are actually counted. In case you have not qualified the language papers, you will not be able to understand that how many marks you got. Your papers would not be evaluated. So if I talk about the essay papers, there are 2 essays that you have to write. Each one of them is 125 marks. So there is section A, in which you have to write 1 essay out of the 4. There's section B, in which you have to write 1 essay out of the 4 given. So there are 8 options given. You have to write 2 essays. Each one is of 1200 marks. Then we have GS paper 1, 2 and 3. They are on similar lines, wherein it's of 250 marks each paper. There are about 20 questions that you have to write. Each question, 20 questions that you have to write. There are 10 questions of 10 marks. There are 10 questions of 15 marks. So this becomes 100 marks. This becomes 150 marks. The total is 250 marks. The time that is given for writing one 10 marker is about 7 minutes. And the time that is given for writing one 15 marker is 10.5 minutes. So this is the same pattern for 1, 2 and 3. Your ethics has a little different pattern. There is section A, which is theory. There's section B, which is case study. Each section would have 120 to 130 marks. So theory can have 120 marks, case study can have 130 in a year, or the theory can have 130 marks and the case study can be of 120 marks. Apart from that, you have your optional papers, optional paper 1 and 2, which is of 250 marks, and the pattern differs in each of the optional that you have taken. So this is the whole pattern. The 1750 marks would be counted only when you have qualified these papers.